everybody to the Bubbles and Brushes paint battle. We have got paints, palettes, paint brushes.
Take your lid off.
So what's our time limit, everyone?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. This is Juz.
Hi.
She is one of our artists. She's amazing. And this is Lena.
Hello.
She's also okay. No, just kidding. She's amazing too. She's putting her hair up. She's ready. She's ready.
Throw down.
She is ready.
3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, she does the pink.
She's already on the canvas.
You're like, you're very structured using your palettes. They're big strokes, Lena.
Look, they've got to be. I'm shaking. I'm like actually nervous.
So, oh wow, you've already done all your outlines, Juz. Look at that, Juz seems to be the winner so far. Sorry, Lena.
We have 8 minutes 40.
8 minutes.
Can we just also say this is a piece that takes like an hour?
Yeah.
Actually.
An hour in 10 minutes.
A beginner, it would take like maybe
2 to 3.
2 to 3, yeah.
How are we feeling? Is everyone feeling confident?
Oh, just so much confidence. I'm losing confidence, really.
Look at the face. Look at the face, people. Serious face. Oh, that's good. Okay, so what are we working on? We're doing the bodies now?
I'm doing the body. My strategy is basically just to get as much coverage onto my flamingo and then the face. And that way I kind of figure I've got it starting to look like an actual piece, and then I can take those precious minutes to get detail in.
I like this piece because you can be quite messy with it. There's absolutely no need to be particularly neat.
Yeah.
4 minutes and we have got this from the amazing Juz. Okay, we'll go.
No time to let pieces dry.
No.
There's like no stakes at all, but I feel like this is a really high stakes
I
battle.
know.
What's this?
What are you talking about?
Look at my shake.
Oh, yeah, you do.
I'm like, oh.
What are you going to do next?
Strategy is literally paint like a mad woman. Like, I put no further real thought into it.
Don't hurt your neck, Lena. 2.5 minutes left. This only took close to 8 minutes. This is impressive. Okay, now we're going with the background. We're adding a bit of detail.
I'm feeling fairly confident now.
Oh, we're doing chalk.
Well, I felt like it was necessary. Part of the piece.
We love our Bubbles and Brushes family.
We do. They're amazing. 1 minute left.
Oh, 1 minute, quick.
20 seconds.
Oh, it's happening. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Well done. You did it.
Super proud. Proud moment.
Wow.
10-minute painting.
I know.
Well done, ladies.
Impressed. They're both really
Especially
good.
for shaky 10-minute hair.
Oh yes, this is what we were aiming for.
Yeah, like that.
And this
one
is
was
where we
stunning.
got.
You know, not a time limit.
Give us any requests for anything you'd like to see us paint battle. We were thinking finger painting.
Yeah, we're thinking next time we do no brushes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Bye.